Hello guys, today we are going to introduce Xtreme Lune 4K Pro. Xtreme is actually a famous brand for projector in China. This time they come up with their high-end laser projector. So let's check it out. We have the A300 put in next to it. It is the same size as Xiaomi laser projector. So as you can see, Lune 4K Pro actually has a much bigger size than A300. This is Xiaomi's remote control. This is Lune 4K Pro's remote control. Personally, I would prefer Xiaomi's remote control because I think the Lune 4K Pro's remote control is a bit too cheap for this price range. And for your information, Lune 4K Pro has a similar price as A300. So we probably will do a comparison video in the future. But first we just have a look of it. At the front, this is Harman Kardon certified audio system. And this is all fabric. This is plastic. For Lune 4K Pro, it only comes with black color. It's not back looking if you put in your living room. It's simple but stylish. And also at the back, you got all the connection port, HDMI 2.0 and USB 3, and also audio in and out, and LAN port as well. All the settings similar to Xiaomi laser projector. And on paper, Lune 4K Pro has 2600 ANSI lumen. It is bright enough for us to see in the daylight. As you can see here, we have opened all the curtains and turned on all the lights we can, and the image is still very watchable. But just put in mind, this is a 100-inch French nail screen, so don't expect the same performance on other screen, or just simply put it on wall. And we have tested brightness using our lux meter just to compare with A300. And it's about 30% brighter than A300. I think that's quite accurate because Lune 4K Pro has 2600 ANSI lumen, and A300 is about 2000 ANSI lumen. So it's roughly about 30% brighter. And on the other hand, Lune 4K Pro support HDR10 and 3D as well. Same as A300, but Lune 4K Pro also support MEMC, which is motion compensation. So it has a good performance in watching football or basketball. And for app support, unfortunately, most of the app pre-installed is built for Chinese market. So as you can see here, the UI is actually all in Chinese, and also the content on it is in Chinese. We have changed the system's language to English in here. You can change the language setting to English or Chinese, but that's it. You can only change the language for the setting. But for the customer, if you can understand Chinese, or maybe you can get a VPN back to China, that would be convenient because you can get access to all the contents integrated into the UI. For other overseas customers, you might just use it as a normal projector, not a smart projector. And another thing is the noise. There's no high-pitch noise for Lune 4K Pro projector. We have the noise meter here, as you can see. So we are sitting about a meter or two away from the projector. So it's already under 30 dBA. So it's quite usable, and you probably wouldn't notice it in a living room. And that probably all for today. And I will put a sample video in the end just to show you what it would like to play video. And if you have any question, feel free to leave us a comment, or you can ask me questions in our Facebook group. And we are Australian-based company. If you are interested in laser projector, feel free to contact us for a quote. And I think that's it. See you guys next time. Peace.